Hey, I just wanted to get a quick recording to show a couple people on my team and just other people that I've been talking to about Forex, my scalping strategy. So as you can see, I'm up $90. The goal is only really to make 100 to 200 a day, but sometimes I make more. I know all of these lines look crazy, but basically the strategy is to take advantage of these little pockets in the market. And I'm on an uptrend right now. It's gonna go up and down, but I'm following the lime green lines. That's telling me that momentum is going up. Also, a lot of my lines at the bottom are above that white dotted line, which is my 50 line. So as long as those lines stay above, for the most part, it's going to continue on an uptrend. So I'm basically just waiting for it to see it went down a little bit, but that's okay. I'm just waiting for it to get to about $100. And then I'm gonna get out. And it really only took me like 10-15 minutes to get it. If you look at the white lines going across the screen, a little channel, as you guys can see, the price is staying in that channel for the most part. You see it just broke out to the bottom, but I'm a strong believer that it's going to bounce back up. Let's see if I can call it. A lot of people would get scared during that moment, but I know this is a strong trend, and I know the market be doing fake outs. So I believe it's doing a fake out to scare people to get out of the sale, and it should skyrocket back up. So let's just see. Let's see how accurate and how confident I am, because it did just drop. Didn't get scared. It did break out of my channel. My lines are going below the 50, but based off of my technical analysis and what I looked at on the other time frames, I still believe it's going to go up. And I have my stop loss, that red dotted line at the bottom where it says it ends in 087 SL. That's my stop loss. So if it goes past that point, I'll take an L, but not a big deal. You're going to take L's in the market, but I'm pretty confident in my move, and we're going to see. We're just going to sit here and watch and see what happens. That red line at the top where it says TP is my take profit. So that's where I want to take profit at, and we'll just see where it goes. It's not looking good. I was up, now I'm down, but, that's the name of the game when it comes to, trading. Like, sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down, sometimes you're in between. Sometimes the market do what you want it to do, sometimes it do something completely opposite. But based off of your skill set, your analysis, your markups, and everything that you need to do on your behalf to make sure it makes sense for you, make sure it makes sense, and then you just ride it out. So, I'm just waiting. I'm going to shift this over because it created a new channel. I'm actually glad this happened because I want to see it shoot back up so you guys can see how this market works and how people can get scared so fast and get out of it when the trade is still going in your direction. So it just made a cross to the bottom, so that's usually a sign that it's going down. So, if it hit my stop loss, it hit my stop loss. If not, we in the money. But this is a consolidated market, and I don't like trading in consolidated markets. So this would probably be my last trade for the day. It was like super trending earlier, but usually what happens is it trends and then it consolidates to kind of like catch its breath and recollect orders. So right now it's in a little narrow consolidation. It's not a lot of money to be made in a consolidation, but I just wanted to get my $100 for the day, So I just want to get that so I could be done and get on with my day. So we'll see what happens. So it looked like it hit that floor and it's bouncing back up. And really at this point, since it's doing crazy stuff, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. I told you I was confident. Now it just needs to go up a little bit higher. But at this point with it doing crazy stuff, I'm probably just going to pop out of here if it give me any more weird signs that it's not going to go my way. But as you guys can see, it's staying in the channel. It's literally staying in the channel that I created. It might break out. If it break out, I'll adjust and then reassess. But I'm still confident that it's going to go either to my take profit up top or close to it. 85. Yeah, I might get out early, to be honest with you, because that little dip kind of made me a little nervous. I'm not going to lie. Just a little bit. But I'm still confident overall. Go ahead, do what you're supposed to do. Don't make me look crazy for the people. It should be at $100 now. Almost there. So y'all see how I'm calling this trade. So, you know, I'm going to upload this to YouTube and send it to a select group of people. And just, you know, I'm teaching my team specifically this scalping strategy where you can make $100 a day easy. If you want to make $5,000 a day, $1,000 a day, you can. It just all depends on your patience. It's going up. I guarantee you it's going up. I just saw a buy signal. It might pull back before it bounce up, but I know I'm 1,000% confident that it's going to bounce up. But yeah, this is my strategy I developed from a whole bunch of different strategies, and I just kept cranking this out until it made sense to me. And now I have a strategy that I can call my own. And as you guys can see, you know, you see what I'm doing. I started this account from, I think, $50. And I only been doing this on this account for 2 days. So, you know, it's just small, consistent boosts, like 100 to 500 a day, depending on how much time I got. But each time I touch my phone, I want to see $100. I'm almost there. Actually, just so this video won't be super long, once it hits 100, I'm gonna get out just so the video won't be super long. But I'm basically there, guys. $99. You know, I can cash out right now if I want to. But I do have a sign that it's gonna go up. That red line in the middle just shot up. That shoot up right there, that's a buy sign. So I know it's going to go up. It might pull back a little bit before it go up, but it will go up. That orange line spiking up too, that's another buy sign. So I'm getting all buy signs right now, all signs that it's going to go up. So it might pull back right real quick just to scare the folks that don't know no better. But I guarantee you guys, this will pop back up. I am going to guarantee it. I'm very confident that it's going to shoot back up. See, that little drop off scares people. That's what swipes people out the market or drops people out the market when they feel like it's gonna fall. But like I said, if you know what you're doing and you got everything marked up and you're confident, you know it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. It can drop all the way down to where it dropped before. I'm still confident that it's gonna go up. I'm gonna get my $100, y'all. I'm gonna get it. It's just taking longer than expected. I hate these consolidated markets, man. That's another buy sign. That little green line shifted up. I'm looking at it every minute. Every minute, every bar is a minute. So every minute, the market shifts and my sign shifts. And my signs have been telling me that it's going to go up. So initially, my initial sign was telling me it's going to go all the way up to that TP. And I'm pretty sure it will, but I'm just impatient. So I'll probably, instead of my 150 to 200, I'll just get my $100 because I actually got some people I need to talk to about this business. And honestly, I don't like being in the market for a long time, man. So when I first started this business, I was in the market for like ever. Like literally, I used to be in for hours and hours and hours and hours. Like, I used to spend whole days. I used to stay up all night being in the charts. At this point, if I could be in the charts for an hour and get what I need to get, I mean, I'll take $100 an hour. Who you know get paid $100 an hour? More than it could be more than that, you know. So they're going to play around with me for a little bit, but it's going to do what it's supposed to do. As you guys can see, I'm still getting buy signs. I'm still getting my indicators to shift in the upward direction. I just need that one jump. I just needed to jump up one good time and do what it need to do. I should be at, what, 95? Ooh, 93. I'm nice. You can't tell me I'm not nice. I didn't want this to be a long video. But once again, consolidating markets, you know. When it's consolidating, it makes baby moves. When it's not consolidating, when I was in it earlier, you see that big shift? It made a big shift, and I rode that wave all the way up, and now it's consolidating, you know, catching its breath. But like I said, I feel like it's gonna make one last strong move to the upside. Well, actually, no, I'm getting a sell sign right now, so I think I might be getting out soon. When the orange crosses over on the blue, that's a sell sign. So I'm gonna play this safe and probably get out soon because it's giving me sell signs now. So I only get scared when I see sell signs. When I see sell signs, then it's like, all right, it's time to get out. I might not get my 100, y'all, but you know, let me give it a couple seconds. If it take a dip, I'm probably gonna get out. But when that orange starts crossing over on that blue, heading in the down direction, that's my sign to exit. So if it's giving me that sign again, I'm gonna get up out of here. But I'm still pretty confident that there we go. I knew I was gonna get my $100. Y'all thought I was playing. Y'all thought the boy was playing, didn't he? and I am gone. There it is, folks. Let's see. Yep, 160 for the day, you know. So just want to show you guys my strategy, and it's actually still going up. That's actually the jump that I was looking for, but I was getting sell signs, so I don't want to risk it. Look at that jump. That's the jump I was waiting on, to be honest with you guys. That is the jump I was waiting on, but I got out because I wanted to just make sure I got my $100. It'd be like that, but could have been 120, 150, not a big deal, but we did what we did, and I'm gonna send this video out to my team and let y'all know, hey, we getting 100,000 next year, easy. So I'll check with y'all later, and y'all have a great day.